going on, guys? Welcome back to the Daily Misfire. Today, I am giving you guys the piece de resistance of what you've been waiting for this entire week and those announcements I've been talking about this entire week. So, I hope you guys are having a great weekend so far, first and foremost. Second off, t-shirts. All I do is send it, boys. That's the truth. I have these shirts up. Lincoln's going to be in the description of this video. Second off, that was second off. Third off is the big thing. So I'm just going to cut right to the chase. The Daily Misfire and my entire family my parents have bought a property in Eastern Tennessee. We currently live in Northern California. So this next summer, 5-6 months, we're going to be working on moving the entire fleet of cars, our entire lives from Northern California, 2,600 miles to Eastern Tennessee. Excuse me. It is a big accomplishment, feat to try to do. But it is going to happen. This is going to be one of the cars that's going to go. So first off, don't worry about any of that. Most of the cars that we have are going with us. So that's not a big deal. But that's kind of the big thing that's going on right now. With that being said, a lot of the videos and stuff that you're going to see in the next 5-6 months are probably going to be really short videos because those are quick to edit. They're not going to be very intense, not very epic, juicy as far as, editing, all that kind of stuff goes. So, they're just going to be, hey, we're doing this, hey, we're doing that. That kind of stuff. So, they're not going to be huge productions. We're not going to have huge build videos just because I can't sit there for 6 hours doing a build video while I can be actually building something. Because in the next 6 months, I have to build a complete truck, hopefully if I can get it done. I have to get a Suburban running and driving to go 2,600 miles. This one's done. I'm going to go find wood to knock on real quick. I'll be right back. Okay. Yeah, this one is good. We're got a whole bunch of other stuff. I mean, we have to get rid of some vehicles. We have to build some vehicles. We got to get a whole bunch of stuff together. Plus, packing our house, and as well as there's a plane flying over. If you can hear that, I'm sorry. As well as a whole bunch of other stuff that we have to do. So I am very stressed out about this, but I'm also very excited. So yeah, with that being said, I don't know what else to say because I have this to do. We have my 62 110 that I'm going to be building. We have the 77 Suburban, the Burb. I was thinking Tom Hanks whenever I say that. We have to mess with Abby's Camaro more. There's potential for a couple other trucks to be worked on. I don't know. There's just a bunch of stuff we have to do. Plus, there's going to be at least 3. Let me think about this. I think there's going to be at least 3 trips that I'm going to be a part of that are driving back to Tennessee. We're probably flying back and then driving and then flying, then driving. But I'll be a part of at least, I know for sure 2, probably 3 or 4, realistically. So, you're going to see a whole lot of on-road video of us just cruising. We're going to hit Route 66. We're going to hit some pretty cool spots, like the teepee motels and stuff in Arizona. Then when we get back to Tennessee, it is on, baby. Because there's racetracks all over the place. If you're in Tennessee, first off, I love your state. I've been there not quite a bit. I've been there once for one vacation, and I love it. And, well, I love it enough to move there. So, but the plan is to, once we get there, Abby and I are going to buy a property there. Then work immediately starts going into this. Her Camaro, my truck, the Suburban, that kind of stuff to get those up to speed to where this is going to be a track monster, hopefully is the goal. Her car is going to be a great cruiser car. We have my truck, we have the Suburban that we're going to hopefully have back there. I'm hoping I can get the truck together. That's the biggest thing that I'm stressed out about right now. like I said, it's a 62 C10, and I'll have a video on that probably next week or the week after, talking about that truck. But I have to literally take the cab off. I have to like build a frame for it, put it all together. I have the engine. That's what those heads I was working on are for. We have a 350 to go into it. It's all very simple stuff. It just all costs money. So, and I have no money. So, that's kind of the whole shebang with all this. Is just trying to figure out how to do as much of this as possible for as little to no money as possible. So, with that being said, I'm going to get back to the house, get back to the shop, get this back inside, and then start working on some other stuff because my mom and my brother are actually leaving tomorrow. If I post this today, which is Friday, I don't know what day it is actually. Is it the 19th? 18th today? It's the 18th today. If I post this today on the 18th, they're leaving on the 19th. So I have to go home, get some stuff ready for them to help get them to go back. Because once they're back, they're staying. Then it's up to me, my dad, and my girlfriend Abby to do a whole bunch of work. So with that being said, I'll see you guys later. Be sure to like and subscribe. And if you want a shirt, I have plenty of shirts. So there's plenty of shirt designs and stuff. They're on my Etsy website. I know Etsy, right? Everyone has Etsy at this point. And they're on my Etsy. They're drop ship. They're super cool. There's this one. There's quite a few just different designs. I have a lot of dad jokes. Because who doesn't like a good dad joke? On that note, I'll see you guys later. Peace.